This is the 160th Taiku in the Babylonian Talmud. It appears in Tractate Bava, Batra, page 66b. Just an interesting tidbit of information that 66 is the daf that I started the daf yomi in Kedushin, which was on October 18th of 2023. It was also the third day of Mar Cheshvan of the year 5784. I started the daf yomi, and thank God I've been going strong since then. So every time I come to page 66, I think about that, and this is Bava Batra 66, which also was I was in the daf yomi at this time. I would say, let's see, if daf yomi started at the end of June of 24, so let's say 60 days into it, so 30 days would be the end of July. So the end of August, maybe beginning of September time, we were doing Bava Batra 66b. And so now we're coming back to it, and in the version of the Taiku. Taikus are unanswered questions, unresolved questions, and questions that, as tradition has it, we must wait until the Messiah comes to get the answer. But we get the answer from Elijah the prophet, according to the tradition. Why Elijah? Why not the Messiah? That's my own personal Taiku. In any event, the 160th Taiku in the Babylonian Talmud again appears in Tractate Bava Batra, page 66b, with the words Boy Rav Yosef. Boy Rav Yosef. Megishon Mishichi Shabalayim Nahadiach Esaitz Traboilin Mahuliz Roim. Rav Yosef raises a dilemma with regard to rainwater that was falling, and the owner consciously desired that it should fall so that it would wash his immovable lower millstones. What is the halacha with regard to the seeds in the millstones? The verse, but if any water be put upon the seed, it shall be unclean to you, Leviticus 11:38. Teaches that seeds and other food become susceptible to ritual purity, or ritual impurity rather, I think they made a mistake here, only after they have been detached from the ground, and water, or another of the 7 liquids specified in the Mishnah, in Machshirin 6.4, have been put on them. The food must be exposed to the liquid willfully by the owner, that is, he must desire, or at least be pleased, that the food should become wet. Rav Yosef asks about a case where the owner wants the rain to fall on the millstones. Does that water make the seeds upon which it falls susceptible to ritual impurity? Ali ben Rabbi Eliezer de Omar kol ha-mechubar lekarka harei hu kekarka lo tiboilach yidiboilach ali b'darabanan ta'amri eino kekarka mahai Taiku. Gemara clarifies Rav Yosef's question. Do not raise this dilemma according to the opinion of Rabbi Eliezer, who says anything attached to the ground has the same legal status as the ground. Since the lower millstones are attached to the ground, they therefore have the same legal status as the ground, and water that falls on the ground, even if it is pleasing to the owner, does not make food susceptible to ritual impurity. When should you raise this dilemma? Raise it according to the opinion of the rabbis, who say it does not have the same legal status as the ground. What is the halacha with respect to imparting susceptibility to ritual impurity? And the Gemara concludes that an answer to this question was not found, and therefore the dilemma shall stand unresolved until the Bias Goel Tzedek. May it be soon in our day.